Hey YouTube family, it's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. This is part 2 of me looking for a birthday dress. And this video, I'm looking for more modest looks. So stay tuned, watch the full video. As always, I will show you the details where I show the designer, the price. I am in Nordstrom's. So if you are looking for these dresses, go check them out. They have a wide, huge selection of all type of dresses. And they have from size 0 up until I think I saw a 22 in the store. And if you go online, they will offer bigger sizes. I want everyone to know that it is okay to be a bigger girl. It's okay to have no curves, little curves, big curves. It's okay. I want you to love what you have and appreciate it, okay? If you don't learn anything else from my channel, learn to love yourself. You deserve it. All right, let's go ahead and get into my measurements so that this can be a easier process for you when you are looking for clothing in store or online. I am 5'8" in height and I'm 230 pounds, maybe 235 pounds, because your girl has been eating a little bit and not exercising as much as I would like. I am a 36 double D and my hips are 50 inches. Waist is about 33 inches. And yeah, that is my size. I typically, if I want something really tight and it's stretchy, I will wear a size medium. But if I want it to be a little bit more loose, not too tight, but still show off my curves, I'll go for a large, especially if it's something that I may wear in a work setting or a more business casual type of environment. So that is my sizing. Also, make sure to check out the description box where I have more details about my sizing and reference so that when you're shopping, your experience can go a lot more smoother. I know when I was younger, going into the dressing room and trying on clothes was not a pleasant experience for me as a plus size girl. I always felt a little self conscious about how things fit, and I felt different about my body because my body type wasn't celebrated, it wasn't appreciated. So, I am here to let you know you can celebrate your body. You can appreciate your body, especially being a bigger girl and being a curvy girl. Try on different styles. I don't know what I'm looking for. I just know it's my birthday and I am going to celebrate me. I am going to love me. Even if it's just for this one day, I'm going to do the best that I can to look my best, feel my best, and just have these moments and memories to last forever. This is the first dress. It's gray, it's giving fall vibes. It's nice and stretchy, it's warm and thick. It has buttons and a collar. So this could definitely be a professional workplace dress, except the length. Especially if you got some bumper behind your girl, you are going to maybe need some thick stockings. Maybe even pair this with a nice pair of jeans. But right now, this is giving shirt vibes. So don't go into the workplace and say Nikki the Glam Teacher told you to style this dress and go up in there. Definitely grab you some nice leggings, some skinny jeans, and some cute boots, and you will be all set. Let me know in the comments what you think about this dress. How do you like the style, the color? I am going to give this dress a 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10 if the length had been there. If the length has been there, yeah, I would have. But I can tell I'm going to constantly be trying to pull this down. It's going to rise over these thighs. Little rhyming for y'all. All right. Let's get into this next dress. I love the colors in this dress. There is the price tag, and again, we are in Nordstrom. Check them out. They have all type of occasion dresses and outfits, so it is your one-stop shop. One-stop shop. Let me put this on. One thing I love about this dress that I did not realize at first is the layers. The layers in this dress is so beautiful, and I love how it gives a sheer type of vibe, but it has like an undering under it. So nothing is showing through. It's giving a sheer illusion, but you are fully covered. You can button it up so much of your chest is not out. This would be really cute with a long trench coat and a cute scarf. And add that jacket. Here I'm going to show you the layers. It does have like a little ruffle effect, and going across like under the chest it has like a tightening lining, I don't know, like a drawstring type of vibe. And the shoulders are giving puffy vibes. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this. Again, I would pair this with some cute skinny jeans or some thicker stockings because it is short. I'm 5'8", and you see how short this is on me. If you have thighs and bumper, it's going to rise. So go ahead and put something under there. Unless this is the look you're going for and the look you want, it's totally up to you. Very cute, very fashionable. Go ahead and check it out. All right, let's go ahead and head over to the next dress. Oh, and what do you all think about the colors and pattern? Is the colors giving grandma vibes, old traditional looking vibes, or what? All right, this dress right here, I'm gonna call this the brown tea party dress because I don't know. It's giving tea party. I definitely would put this on with a undershirt, like a collared button up undershirt, and maybe even a little bow tie. And I would wear this to afternoon tea. Cute stockings, maybe some gloves, some pretty lace gloves, and pantyhose. Ooh, with boots. Ooh, that would be adorable. This brown is really bold. It's not a dull brown, it's very bold, and the material is very soft and stretchy. Now, these little stringy things, I call them the hanger strings, is coming all out on this dress. So let's tuck those in. I initially thought this had pockets, but it does not have pockets. Let's see how the back is looking. Is the thinging? Not really. Okay, whatever. I like it. Now, this one, again, is short. I did not mean for it to be so short. And hanging on the hanger, it didn't look that bad. But once I put it on, I was like, yeah. Neck, it's a little short. However, like I said, some thick pantyhose would make this outfit really pop. A undershirt with a collar would make it pop even more. This could be a really good base outfit. This is like the basis of it, and you add your little add-ons and boom, you are looking like the fresh princess of Bel Air. Top notch, luxurious, upscale, 5-star, Michelin dining only type of fashionista. You gotta have vision. Gotta have vision. Sometimes when I'm trying on stuff, I don't feel the vision and I'm like, no. But other times I'm feeling a vision. I'm in a good mood and I'm like, yeah, this is it. This is it. The material's feeling good. This is it. So don't be shy to try on different things and get a good feel for what you will like. This next dress, as you can see, it is a size large. All of this is a size large. This is very, very heavy. The material is thick. So this would be perfect for a cold weather day. Yeah, cold weather day. Short sleeve, but it's thick, y'all. It's thick and it's long. So you are going to be covered, you are going to be warm, and you are going to look amazing. Amazing. Now, I do feel like this is a little too big and it doesn't show off my figure like I want. But for a professional setting, I would definitely wear this teaching. Definitely wear this in the classroom. You can see, however, my panty lines, but I do have like some thicker undergarments on. So if you got the proper undergarments, this might could work in a very professional environment. And let me remind you, you definitely want to make sure that the length is professional. And a professional length is fingertip length at minimum. So you should be able to have your arms and hands at your side at a relaxed stance, and it should reach your fingertips. If it is higher than your fingertips, then it is too short. Do not wear that in your professional environment. You may be called into HR. Again, you can still look modest and presentable and fashionable, trendy. You just got to make sure it's going to be comfortable. That's why I like to move around and make sure it's going to fit and not rise above the occasion that I need it to rise. Okay? Okay. Let's take this off and head over to the next dress. And make sure you drop in the comments what you like about these outfits, the color, the fits. Let me know. Let me know. And right here, y'all, these hanger strings. So a lot of times, some of these clothes will sit on the hanger for a long period of time. But when you put these little strings on the hanger, it holds the shape of the garment. So it doesn't get like sloppy and loose and crazy looking, worn out. So those little strings are going to help hold the shape and also keep the garment on the hanger and not sliding off. Here is this beautiful brown ruffle dress. I love the ruffles. I love the sheerness. It's sheer in all the right places. It's smooth and silky like. Y'all, this one, no lie, it's my favorite. It's my favorite. Drop some hearts if you think this is your favorite as well. And if you are not on my Elite VIP membership, what are you doing? If you would like to see me try on lingerie and swimsuits, then definitely join the Elite VIP membership. You also get access to private chats with me directly, and we do a live video try on over there. You can also get some other perks that I'll leave that up to you to decide on the Elite VIP membership. But go on over there and join here on YouTube. Now, the ruffles in this are just everywhere and just so pretty. I feel like a princess in this for sure. It does have this little underskirt, and this keeps you covered to where everything is not see-through. Definitely giving workplace appropriate vibes. It gives fall vibes, and I think birthday vibes. This would definitely be the perfect dress for my birthday dinner. Let me know in the comments, do you think this is birthday dinner dress attire, or are we thinking something else? Drop some styles in the comments. I am open to hearing about other styles. I just want to look really good and show off my weight loss that I have achieved this year. And I want to try some colors that I have not tried. I usually do gold, black, something like really bold on my birthday. Last year was royal blue and burgundy with a little shimmer. So this year I want to tone it down and definitely show off my weight loss without feeling like I'm showing way too much skin. If you understand, you understand. Yeah, let me know which was your favorite dress. I think the brown one that I just tried on made me feel the most confident and it was the most comfortable. Make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe. And here I am just noticing how beautiful I am in the mirror. Every now and then I get a little low self-esteem, but remember to look in the mirror and tell yourself you are gorgeous.